Good morning, 7th class. We are starting fourth question of exercise 5.2. Fourth question is find the value of x if L is parallel to M. Here, in first part, this is 110, this is x. Now, what we will do, these two angles are not related to any property, so we will create property like this. If this is 110, so it will be also 110. Let this is angle 1. Okay, we will assume it is angle 1. So you will write angle 1 should be 110. Why? Because they are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay, so the value of angle 1 is 110 degree. Now if it is 110 and this is x, both angles are on a straight line. They are making a linear pair. It means angle x plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are making linear pair. And you have to find the value of x. What is the value of angle 1? That is 110 degree. So instead of 1, we will write 110 degree. Now find out the value of x. 180 minus 110, it will be 70 degree. So you like this, you have to create properties if it is not there. Now look at the second part. In this part also you have to find the value of x. It is simple. Look at this. X and 100 both are corresponding angles. So x and 100, you write the notebook, x and 100 both are corresponding angle. So you will write x is equal to angle x is equal to 100 degree because they are corresponding angles. Answer. Fifth question is, in this figure the arms of two angles are parallel. If angle ABC is 70 degree, then find angle DGC, this angle, and find angle DEF and this angle you have to find. Now he is saying these arms are parallel. You know, we can extend parallel lines endlessly. So what we will do, we will extend these parallel lines like this. We can extend. Okay, now look at the figure. This angle and this angle, both angles are corresponding angles. Why we are extending? Which lines are parallel? This AB line is parallel to DE and this BC line is parallel to this EF. Okay, now this angle 70 and this angles both are corresponding angle. It means angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle DGC. Reason, both are corresponding angles. ठीक है? So what is the value of angle ABC? That is 70 degree. So what will the value of angle DGC? It will be also 70 degree. So angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. That is the first part. Now you have to find DEF, this angle. Now again look at this. Both angles are corresponding. This one and this one. One is exterior, one is interior. Both are on the same side. So you will write again angle DGC is equal to angle DEF. Reason, same. Both are corresponding angles. So what will the value of angle DEF? DEF will be also 70 degree. Now sixth question is, In this question he is saying check L is parallel to M. अब आपको चेक करना है कि ये टू लाइन्स पैरेलल हैं या नहीं. So what we will do, we will use properties. If any property will be applicable here, then it means these lines are parallel. If any property is not applicable here, then it means both lines are not parallel. Now there are two angles given and they are co-interior angles or angles on the same side of transversal line are supplementary. We know that इनका सम कितना होना चाहिए 180 डिग्री. So we will check if it is 180 then L is parallel to M. If it is not 180 then L is not parallel to M. We will write angle 126 degree. We will add these both angles. So it will be, it is 170 degree. It is not supplementary. So we will write because they are not co-interior angles, so L is not parallel to M. Okay. Now in third part we will check कि these L is parallel to M or not. Now 123 and 57, it is not related to any property, both angles. So we will create property. Now we will create property. Let this is angle, angle 1. Okay. So we will assume it is 123. So it will be 123 because both are corresponding angle. We will write here angle 1 is equal to 123 degree. The reason is corresponding angles. We are creating this property. Okay. Now if it is 123, it is 57, then they are making linear pair, then sum should be 180 degree. So we will check 123 plus 57. Their sum is 180 degree. Yes. So it means they are making linear pair. It means L is parallel to M. So you will write both are making linear pair. So L is parallel to M. And second and fourth part are homework. This is homework. You have to do second and fourth part of question 6 in notebook of exercise 5.2 with reason.